Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly, very easily delete your YouTube browsing history. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write comments after you watch it. So let us get down to our topic with you. Open the YouTube app on your device. After that, go to the U section. Now you will see the history option. Click on See All, and you will be able to see all the viewing history that you have. Now, to delete any one video, please click on the three dots in front of it and select the option to remove it from your browsing history. As you can see, the video will be deleted instantly. Also at the top, you can click on the three dots and select the option to delete your entire browsing history or manage your history. When this page loads, select the Auto Delete section here and set the time after which your YouTube history will be deleted by itself. It can be 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. You choose the time period that you are more comfortable with, after which you can simply log out of YouTube. These are the images and methods you can delete your YouTube browsing history. I really hope the video has helped you. Don't forget to put your likes and write your comments. See you around, friends.